వెన్నెలే అనుకున్నా మొన్న కూడా నిన్నలా కలదన్నా అడుగెటు పడుతున్నా తనవై పెడుతున్నా కునుకైన రాని సమరాన కనుమూస్తే చాలు తమరేనా పెన వేసుకున్న ప్రణయమున యమున తీరేనా నింగిలోని తారలని నేల కందే దారులే చూస్తున్నా ఎదురుగా నేనున్నా ఎరగవు కాస్తైనా ఒక మనసు తపన చూసైనా గుడి చేరవేలలోననా అలజడులు బయట పడుతున్నా మౌనంగా ఉన్నా కరిగా తీపి కలగా మిగిలా ఈనాడు శిలగా ఉసిరే నీ ఊహలన్నీ సాక్ష్యాలుగా కరిగా తీపి కలగా మిగిలా ఈనాడు శిలగా ఉసిరే నీ ఊహలన్నీ సాక్ష్యాలుగా అరే రే మనసే జారే అరే రే కాదే వినదే తనదే రోజు నీ నామస్మరణే స్నేహమేగా జీవితం అనుకున్నా ఆజమేగా ఆశలే కనుగొన్నా మలుపులు ఎన్నైనా ముడిపడిపోతున్నా ఇక సెకనుకెన్ని నిమిషాలు అనుకుంటూ రోజు గడపాల మది కోరుకున్న మధుబాల చాలే నీ గోలా స్మరణే నీ వల్లనే రోజు నీ నామస్మరణే చిన్ని నవ్వే చైత్రమై పూస్తుంటే చంత చేరి చిత్రమే చూస్తున్నా చిటపట చినుకుల్లో కడిసిన మెరుపమ్మా తెలుగింటిలోని తోరణమా కనుగొంటి గుండె కలవరమా అలవాటు లేని పరవశమా వరమా హరమా హరే రే హరే రే మనసే జారే హరే రే హరే రే వరసే మారే ఇది వరకే లేదే ఇది నా మనసే కాదే ఎవరేమన్నా వినదే తనదారేదో తనదే అంతా నీ మాయలోనే రోజు నీ నామస్మరణే ప్రేమాయి వింతలన్నీ నీ వల్లనే అంతా నీ మాయలోనే రోజు నీ నామస్మరణే ప్రేమాయి వింతలన్నీ నీ వల్లనే
ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಫೋಟೋ ಹೇಳೋ ಹೇಳೋರು ಹೇಳೋದು ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ ಬರ್ಕಾನೆ
స్నానం చేయాలి బస్సు ఎక్కాలి కలిసి వెళ్ళాలి
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్
బాత్రూమ్ లో పాటలు బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్ లో మాటలు అమ్మ ముందు వంటలు నాన్న ముందు బ్లండర్లు పాకెట్ మనీకి టెండర్లు ఇక బస్సులకే వెయిటింగ్ ఫుడ్ రోడ్ ఫైటింగ్ ఇక బస్సులకై వెయిటింగ్ ఫుట్బాల్ ఫైటింగ్ క్యాంటీన్ మీటింగ్
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్
Thank you. Get in, come on.
కోరుకున్నా కోరికల వాళ్ళన్నా చేరువైన చిలకల పాలన్నా చిరుతరుల పాలనా తాను లేక నేను లేననుకున్నా స్నేహబంధం తెంచుకొని కాదన్నా ఎదురుగా నిజమున్నా నీవురై మిగిలున్నా క్షమించని
या कुन्देन्दु तुषार या श्वेत पद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युत शङ्कर प्रभृतिभिर्देवैः सदा पूजिता.
Anything.
So the last 2-3 years I've been doing only this. Then teaching something.
Yeah, so we should not admit this is something great.
There is one foundation here, my dear people. It's called Intera Dance.
Split.
We have actually, okay, we have actually adopted a school.
So talk about your one happy moment. Yeah, college time.
So many.
कॉलेज टाइम में तो कुछ नहीं
लक्ष्मी आपके पास भी आएंगे तब बात करेंगे.
No, college time it was fine. 4 years was fun. So
One person
I
you miss. I mean, in this group, someone who's not turned up.
So many of our
So let's be scared. 1 or 2, 3,
You
whatever.
know, I was quite interested in meeting Arundhati because I couldn't meet her in the US also when I went. So probably I miss her. Then who else? That's it. College was fun. So
I in US from past 22 years. I am Florida. Anything else? Happy moments is I love college life, no responsibilities, just enjoy work, fun. Not even work, like study and fun, but now lots of responsibilities. I think life is a good teacher, and everyone has their own life stories to tell. Thank you.
This table now.
Funny experience. I met you all wonderful people. Some of us were not in touch for so long, and it's wonderful and beautiful that we have been able to take some time out and be together. Because again, life teaches a lot of stuff, and one thing is life is too short. It's just too short. I had taken last 3 years of. I had taken a break because my father, he's 88 years old, he has been bedridden for 3 years. And while to go, passing through the teenage and post-teenage things.
Best moment in you.
So I think, sorry. So the best moments are all moments like it's certain moments.
You can share the wild moments also.
Of course. The first time I had alcohol in my life was in college, 19th December.
Come Sujata tries to pull us in together. So this sort of a larger gathering, I think, was nice.
Some initiative.
Yeah, I think that was definitely.
It's not that people were called. In fact, there are many who actually volunteered.
7 is not a lucky number.
There are 6.
6 either तक
Yeah. So shall we finish with
I'm on a sabbatical right now, but I try to manage the class in the EC department. I teach third year students. I work with final year students on research projects at PES in the Electronic City campus. I'm on sabbatical right now. I wanted to try out if I fit into the industry. I've after PE.
For my engineering ranking, PSIT was the only college where I could come to. And one of our cousins said it's an upcoming college.
Thankful for this kind consideration. Again, there were quite a few friends who wanted to join. They couldn't join due to multiple reasons, because at this age we are touching about, I think, 50. And there are things to balance at work, with family, with parents, and there are so many things going on with everyone's life. So coming on how I came to PSIT was a surprise, because I never thought in my life that I'll be doing engineering one day. I was a die-hard fighter pilot sort of a guy, and due to certain reasons.
Okay, so moving on to the next.
Soko used to be there. I think people don't remember. First time he was there. He was a great footballer.
Rafi, another batchmate of mechanical. Rafi and myself are doing a startup, so we've been running a company called.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
So, what else? That's it. Okay, thank you.
Was very different. I came from Mount Carmel. And so when I came to PS, I hated this college. One thing is it was too far, and the other thing is I felt it was too strict. So I decided I'm not going to stay in this college.
Now I think now, how many of us are flying? I mean, from our respective places. I think Munish, Shailendra, Amit.
East Bangalore.
You are Bangalore, yeah, come on. Disqualified. Ravindra maybe, Mukesh, Digvijay. You are a Bangalorean. No. You didn't actually make an special effort to come here.
Nobody knows because then I went underground. I went into my own shell, and the rest 4 years were like go unknown, come unknown, don't know anybody. That's how I lived the rest of 3.5 years. After that, me out. देखो कॉलेज में कोई मुझे नहीं जानता था, कॉलेज के बाहर मुझे लोग जानते थे.
For all of you to come together today, make time. I used to listen from my own friends about reunions, and I wanted us to also meet sometime.
Yeah, I have a startup, and right now I'm not doing much out there. About my personal life, my son is doing engineering, and the best memories at PS I can say when we had been to some Pearl Valley outing, and also a couple of when the class got suspended, we had been to a couple of movies. When I joined.
Our beloved Vishwanath Rao, the superstar. We had a lot of mechanical engineers, but most of them ended up doing something other than mechanical. But he's a few who actually pursued mechanical. Okay. Now we have
that you have to give 2 minutes the extra course speech. Right. Especially, when I'm seeing you after say about 26 years, I'm still feeling that,
Second round.
Life teaches you so many things. So as personal life बताता हूँ, I'm married, I have a daughter studying in. दूसरा क्या है, when I come here, I was talking to अपने मेरे जो close friend हैं. मैंने कहा यार 1 साल तो समझ नहीं आई इंग्लिश में बात क्या कर रहे हैं. I come from Himachal, Hindi background, and
Sidney Sheldon, Perry Mason, James Hartley Chase. US was set.
Engineering, I joined a company called Altair, and I still continue to work for Altair. So it's my 25th year in Altair. Yeah, I mean, memories, college, the first thing that comes to my mind is how Manish crashed in Joke Falls. Okay, so
something in the.
Oh, that is very confidential. That's all classified information. That's for the evening after drinks. Okay, that's about me. Oh yeah. So my wife is a dentist. She's not working anymore because of family needs. I have 2 sons. Elder one is 17, is in his 12th grade.
Achieve that. Very academical family. So everybody. I had family in the US who've been there. So, but I never thought I'd be an engineer. So I wanted to be a doctor like Malini.
He pulled me, got my hair and pulled me out, and then he got shit scared and went inside the bus while I was still swimming.
Some people know a bit of it, so I can't really reveal a lot, but I had a lot of fun. We had a lot of trips. I think most of the time in college we were outside traveling to various places outside of the city. Lots of trips through the year. I hardly remember studying. Like when I landed in B school the first time, there was exams. I was telling people on the way who were with me. So the first time.
इसकी स्टोरी अलग है, बाद में बताऊँ. That's all about life, and I would like to thank Hema, Sujata, Manish. There is Raghav. Raghav मेरे से ज़्यादा आगे वाला है, So he interacts with Army, Air Force, Navy. So he हमसे ज़्यादा.
And all are welcome to Kashmir.
And yes, because I am looking after Amarnath trek also.
So next 1 year is in Kashmir.
Kashmir.
Yes.
You have my number, and भगवान की वो है कि I am at a place where I can definitely look after you guys. Thank you. Thank you.
You man.
I don't know. Each man, I just leave it.
He is an inspiration. He can say anything.
Respond to what he said.
Especially with the class being mechanical, of course. We guys had the fun of our lives. Especially what I can remember is our HDG professor. So he knew that we were very kind of cranky kids. So whenever he used to come to class, I don't know whether you guys remember, me, Chetan, Vinay and
That was because I didn't get 2 marks in strength of materials. Strength of materials. And that was taught by Jawahar, by the way.
Like what Kavita was saying and Hema Malini was saying, we were just in our own worlds, especially for the first 3 years. Okay, so let me share 1 or 2 interesting things, right? So there was one serious crush I had in college. That was a professor. So I loved Professor JSP. Soft crush, you can say. I always adored him and looked up to him, maybe because he taught really well and.
For 2 more years. So 1 year I also tried to get into software, but that could not happen. And then myself and Sadashivan Pillai, if you remember, he was my roommate. So we both decided to become filmmakers. We wanted to become directors. So we took some training here in Bangalore itself.
आप सब जानते ही रहेंगे मेरे को. Okay, so after passed out from PSIT, I joined a private company. And now currently I am working with a power machine tool India Private Limited from last.
2 kids, and elder one is doing engineering in 3rd year, and younger one is in 6th standard. And I actually happy moments in college is like we used to gather everyone and go to movies and all. But in home
in Punjab, so because there it was electronics, so I came to Bangalore and started my mechanical engineering. Now, talking about the best moments, so he said, he prompted that you are going at Delhi. So, while studying over here, I had very beautiful.
So PSIT, how we landed up is Hema, Chappa and myself were in PU from same college. So we were all in the counseling, unlike nowadays everything happens online. So we had to go there. So yeah, BMS college was gone and the I think was there. So there were only 5 seats available in PSIT. So then all 3 of us just
सहारा है दोस्तों ये प्यार तुम्हारे ये दिल तुम्हारे प्यार का हमारा है दोस्तों.
From that district, I had a free life. I was enjoying there, but as you know, during that time the C2 was there. We had to come for counseling. I landed up at my maternal uncle's house. Okay, And unfortunately, there was a lecturer who was from PESIT Diploma College. He told my uncle that PESIT is a nice college, like, you have to.
I called in shots in December. I am reasonably retired, but I don't think I'll stay retired this longer. So I'm experiencing retirement at a very early age, I would say. So, but yeah.
I don't have any good memories of college, unfortunately. I hated the college. So I studied in KV and then I came to Kumaran. So my strictness level actually fell, into a military school kind of environment. So I got into a lot of trouble. I used to talk like what you know now. So all the professors used to hate me. I'm sure.
अच्छा लग रहा है यहाँ आके आफ्टर सो मेनी ईयर्स 26 साल बाल सफेद हो गए पहचानना मुश्किल हो रहा है लेकिन चेहरा देख के लग रहा है कहीं देखा है नाम भूल गया बट लेटर ऑन वी कुड रिकलेक्ट इट और कमिंग बैक immediately after I think after passing out from PSIT 6 months I was Berozgar. Then for 10 months I worked in HAL. I was there in HAL for 10 months, helicopter division in Bangalore itself. From Bangalore HAL I went for SSB to Allahabad, qualified that.
Worked as an XML program for nearly 3 years. And after that I joined Accenture as SAP consultant in 2003. And since then up to 2021 I worked as an SAP program manager, everything, all sort of roles. Then finally I gave up people management, everything from the IT industry and started working as a freelancer. For the past 3 years I've been working for a project in Slovakia. So that's all about my career.
And I've been working on that, on the technical side. Back in time, 94, as Negi mentioned, I met Negi in train and that's how my journey to Bangalore started. I also belong to Himachal like him. And engineering days were actually more fun than anything else. And in fact, it was too much fun sometimes. And we were thinking engineering was a side business for us.
Called EFD induction, which is linked to Hendrix. And we are into induction heating business, and recently we got a company called IPT Technologies, which is into wireless.
As a senior manager, it's a Saudi-based company. So it's a telco. They are into telco. So I am actually, my husband is a professor. He is working in Ambedkar Institute of Technology, and I have 2 daughters. Elder one is recently passed out from engineering. And she has got through campus and she is working in Henkel, German company.
The global alliance team, I manage a couple of alliances and I drive business through partners. I have 2 kids, 2 daughters. So the elder one just passed out of a college and she got into ENY recently. And the younger one is in 10th standard.
अभी टाइम ऐसा आ गया कि मैं लोगों को बोलने नहीं दूंगी. Small place and then Maharashtra and then Karnataka. So it's a tax-free zone, so a lot of industries, and now so much of industry, it's like pathetic place. I don't know, people from Mumbai, they come to Silvassa and they love it. I don't love it because I feel it's too crowded, maybe.
So almost 20 years I'm in IT industry, and past 5 years I'm in Wipro, working as a principal consultant. About my personal life, I have 2 daughters. One is.
My journey at PESIT started with, of course, like most of you or all of you, in '94 we went to the CET counselling. I needed a free seat, ENC, and PESIT was only college, so I had to pick that. So that is how, didn't know anything about the college, just got into it. But today, everywhere I say I'm passed out of PES, there's so much of wow. So, based out of Bangalore. I work with Bosch. I head the engineering division there.
I think that's about it. Those are
days.
Your favorite lecturer?
My favorite lecturer? Kevin was one of them. Kevin was the topmost.
So anyways, the fun didn't end there. We got suspended. So how do I got into PSIT? Best memories, I think what I missed after getting out of PS is the way I used to copy, you know. We all do, but I don't know how many are ready to confess. But I used to love the way the memories of PES. I was just talking to Nitin. It so happened that me, Shailendra, Namit and Zahid were sitting in a bench. The first class of our first semester, I think it was all the four were combined. And it was Mr. Sridhar's class. And I thought Namit had cracked the joke. And we all started laughing. All four of us were thrown out of the class. So I just happened to speak Namit. I got him through LinkedIn and I called him and I said I was telling him about the story. So he said, "Arey, wo main nahi tha. It was Nitin." So that is one good memory I have. Otherwise, a lot of things we've traveled. Me and Shailendra have been together. So even we are in touch. Many of Nilesh, the old friend of mine. I don't know who will be interested. Those were wonderful days that we enjoyed. Especially the last year was more like how to get things done out of our projects. What are the various ways that we could sneak around without doing any work? Those are some of the ways that we learned in our lives. Some of the life learning lessons, I would say, these are the things.
To medical, my dad is a surgeon, my sister is a radiologist. I saw my sister studying, swore I'm never going to be a doctor, although my dad had plans for me. So big rebel at home, and I took electronics in my pre-university, ensuring I don't take biology. So that's my engineering story. Great 4 years, very close to the EC group, and of course the computer science. MEC I wasn't that involved with. But before I tell you my journey after engineering, the funniest moment relates to the...
So I was relieved actually. It was really good. And during those 4 years, like the kind of troubles, tantrums that we have thrown against teachers, not me actually, the backbenchers and Chetan and few others. I remember.
Comedy class.
On family side, my wife is working as a teacher and I have 2 kids, one is turning 17 and another is 10. Thank you.
In front, I have 2 beautiful souls as a daughter and son. My daughter is doing her MS in US and son is in 2nd PU. And my passion always drives towards yoga and spirituality, so I definitely want to do something more in it. Thank you.
Raghav.
I remember you were interested in story writing and directing a movie. So what did you do?
In college, my name used to end, like the last name, so here also it is end. So feel good. All these people who have arranged this event, I'm really thankful to you guys. We have always, I think we have time traveled 26 years back, and those 4 years of, precious golden college life. It brings me those visualizations of what happened in college, the first day and all this.
I had written I don't know about, we used to get that in the end of the semester feedback form. I written a very harsh note to Jawahar sir, that one of the second semester, I think second semester, he took a class for us. Feedback form. Feedback form. Yeah, there was a feedback form. My name is Raghavendra, I'm from the mechanical branch. And the way, the reason I got into PSIT was before that I had done my diploma in mechanical engineering with Kiran, and those days, it was not through CET, it was direct admission. So his percentage was he was 75 and I was 73. So he came out, I asked him, where did you go? So I had been to many courses in the last 6 years, script writing, cinematography, movie direction, you name it, I have done all the courses. Never made a single movie. Movie as part of my assignment I did, but not as, now I am going to make a serious 20-minute movie.
I have tried to help a lot of thousands of students now, and alongside I knew that because I didn't have a qualification, I didn't want to call myself a quack, so I did my Masters in Education, PG Diploma in Career Counseling, lot of things, and a PhD finally in Career Counseling. That was the proudest moment. I told myself that now I think I can call myself a counselor.
Guys, whoever came from outside of town, please stand up. I think we should all thank you for coming. All the others, seriously, it was very lazy of us to not meet
అల్లికలు చెలిమికి నెలవై